Good morning, students. Today's I will start the experiment number 16. In previous practical, we have seen the experiment number 15. That is to evaluate the cotton wool, absorbent cotton wool IP. Now see the today's practical, that is experiment number 16. Title to determine the sinking time and water holding capacity of absorbent cotton wool IP. Prior concept is absorbent cotton wool. Absorbent cotton wool is also known as surgical cotton or cotton wool and mainly used for the medical purpose in hospitals, nursing homes, dispensaries and at home. Then that is for first aid and etc. Then because of its property of high fluid absorbency, it is better known among masses as absorbent cotton. Okay, then sinking time, water holding capacity. The new prior concept is proposition, method of determination of sinking time. Then method of determination of water holding capacity. In the theory part we have explained in next practical. We will explain in next practical. Okay, now see the learning objective, intellectual skill, that is to understand the principle of absorbency test, then to understand the test procedure, then third is to interpret the result, then motor skill, ability to wait, then ability to record the time, then ability to handle the basket. Then apparatus is glasswares, glass beakers, stopwatch, sinking time basket, then balance and weight box. Then sample is absorbent cotton wool. And here are the diagram of absorbent cotton wool IP. Here are the diameter, that is 15 mm of sinking time basket. Then in below part it is a beaker. Then in on the beaker sinking time basket with cotton, that is here are the cotton. Then stepwise procedure. Firstly, see the principle. Absorbency test is an indicator of complete removal of fatty material from the cotton. Then absorbency of absorbent cotton may be lost or decreased due to prolonged storage or exposure to heat or dampness. Then absorbency test is evaluated by sinking time test and water holding capacity of absorbent cotton wool. Okay. Then step first is determination of sinking time, that is not more than 10 seconds when determined by the following method. Then sinking time basket, a dry cylindrical copper wire basket 80 mm high and 50 mm in diameter, fabricated from wire of diameter 0.4 mm and having a mesh aperture of 15 to 20 mm. The basket weight 2.4 to 3 gram. Then weight the basket accurately. Take 5 samples, each of approximately 1 gram from different places in the material being examined. Then pack loosely in the basket and weight the packed basket. Then take a beaker of at least 12 centimeter in diameter filled with water at 25 degrees Celsius to depth of 10 centimeters. Okay. Then hold the basket with a long axis in the horizontal position and drop it from a height of about 10 mm into water at 25 degrees Celsius contained in a beaker. Then measure with a stopwatch the time taken by the basket to sink below the surface of water. Then repeat the procedure on 2 further samples and calculate the average value. Then step second, determination of water holding capacity, that is not less than the 23 gram of water per gram of absorbent cotton wool when determined by the following methods. This test shall follow the sinking time test. First is remove the basket from the water, allow it to drain for 30 seconds with its long axis in the horizontal position. Then transfer it to the tiered beaker that is already weighted and weight it. Then calculate the weight of water retained by the sample. Then repeat the procedure on two further samples and calculate the average value. Then observation table of this experiment is, that is weight of absorbent cotton wool, that is first column in gram. In that 5 gram, 5 gram, and third is 5 gram. And sinking time in second, then average sinking time. And last column is average of sinking time. Then table second, then weight of the basket, that is write down here weight of that basket. Then weight of basket with cotton, that is dry cotton, and that is y gram. Then weight of the cotton, that is y minus x. Okay, x is the weight of basket and y is the weight of basket with cotton. Then weight of basket with cotton after draining. The next column is weight of water with retained, that is z minus y. Z is the weight of basket with cotton after draining and y is the weight of basket with cotton. Okay, the next column is weight of water per gram of cotton, that is z minus y divided by x minus y minus x gram. Then z, that is weight of basket with cotton after draining, and y is weight of basket with cotton and is z minus y. Next divided by y minus x, that is weight of cotton. Okay, then next column is average amount of water in gram retained per gram of cotton. These are the observation table. Then result, average sinking time of absorbent cotton wool, that is write down here in second what is the sinking time of absorbent cotton wool. Then average water holding capacity. Then in that last question is important question related to this experiment. Okay, and all students are able to answer this question after watching this video. Okay, I will stop here, and here are the complete the experiment number 16. Okay, I will stop here. Thank you.